Hello everyone, we're back again with another video. This one's going to be a little different than the last ones. What I'm going to show you is how to disassemble, repair, and put back together a TOMY coin mech. This one happens to be for toonies, but it does work for all of them. The reason we're doing this video is it was suggested by one of our subscribers, and it seems like a good idea. As long as it helps out a couple people, then it's worth doing. So I will show you how to do it. It probably won't take too long. Here we go. So now there are two screws here as well, but these ones don't need to come out. It just allows access to this ratchet wheel and this spring. I will show you that, but I'll take them off anyways just so you guys can see how that goes together as well. So that can come off as an assembly now, and we can set that aside. And then if you do, for whatever reason, have to get to this, sometimes this comes up, so you gotta clean it and then re-lubricate it. And if that is your only problem, all you would have to remove is these 4 screws. These 2 could stay on. So now that gives you access to this plate, and here is a bushing. So here is your ratchet wheel. This is that plate. And then, so now there are 2 styles of the TOMYs at least. What I'm assuming is wrong with this one is there's probably a coin jammed underneath this. This is the coin carrier. And that can be swapped out for a toonie or a loony. Here's the coin that was causing the jam. This comes off if you undo those 2 screws. In the other older style, this is the new style. In the older style, this comes off without anything. And then these 2 pieces, if you can see that there, are what stops the mechanism from moving if there isn't a coin in it. So a lot of the times this plastic piece will break and allow it to easily ratchet with any coin, because this one only detects if there's a coin. This one detects if there's the right size of coin. So you want to make sure that this one works for sure. And then these pins come out. This one comes off as well. And then to remove this, there's another screw, which I can take off also. So there you go. That is the base coin mech. There's no need to take this off because that's pretty easy to figure out. So we'll put it all back together. So now you have to make sure that this bar is above this pawl. And then you can put these ones in. So normally when I do this too, I don't take it apart this far, just because you don't need to. Like, all I would have had to do was lift this first piece off, pull off that, take out the coin, and it would have been done. So now you can put this back on. So as you can see here, it's jammed up there. It shouldn't be. So a lot of the times, sorry, it's jammed up right there on that this little piece. That is a very common problem with these. So what I do a lot of the time, I carry a file with me and I just file this little piece down. Just take away the little lip that's there and it'll work fine. It is a problem when it binds up on that, just because a lot of the times then, see, now it turns freely. A lot of the times it'll jam and you won't be able to turn it either way, so the customer won't be able to use it then. So I just, every time I have that problem, I just file that off just a touch. So what this does is this piece acts on here to stop them from turning it backwards. And then those pieces stop it from turning forwards without money in it. So you just got to make sure that they're all in properly, otherwise. So now I do have some test money there. So when you put the coin in and it ratchets this way, you just want to make sure that these are facing so that it lifts this and then it can't turn back. It's hard. Now I've gone the full rotation, so it can't be turned backwards and it can't be turned forwards because there's no coin. So this one's good. And these 6 screws don't matter where they go on these, just because they're all the exact same screw. So there you go. This one is all fixed up and good to go. I hope that helped you guys. I tried my best to keep everything in view and make sure to show everything. If it was helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day.